Oh hey, it's me Olive, your makeup girl, and welcome back to my channel. Halloween season is over. I know. I'm upset about it too. But you know what that means. You know what time it is. Oh, you don't? Why don't I tell you? It's time for another Zodiac makeup tutorial. And this time, it's Scorpio season. I know, gross. I'm just kidding. Love Scorpios, they're kind of great. Scorpios and like myself, like we make each other better. That's what we're here for. So today I thought I'd pay tribute to you sassy Scorpios with a makeup tutorial. So if you want to see what that looks like, then keep on watching. But before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out all my other socials at the Olive Cox for more drag fun. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go shave my face, do my base, knock out one of these eyes, and I'll be right back. And I'm back, y'all. As you can see, I have my base all done, one eye complete. Now I'm gonna zoom you in to focus you in on this side so we can see how to get this Scorpio makeup look started. So for those of you who don't know, Scorpios, they're a water sign. They are probably, in my opinion, like the most aggressive water sign. Like how do I even begin to describe Scorpios? Well, like every other water sign, emotional, which I mean, you know, I'm a water sign as well. But you know, Scorpios, they're represented by scorpions.
Get over here!
Scorpions, they have their tail, which, you know, it's ready to sting someone, stab them. And when you think about that, it's also pointed at themselves. So when they're like on attack mode, they're also just like pushing other people away because they care so much. It's a toxicity for me. But you know, we're all just trying to figure life out. Zodiac signs help me realize how to communicate with different people. And growing up, I had to deal with a Scorpio every day of my life. My little brother, bless his little soul, Scorpio, used to torment me every single day of my life. And that is not an exaggeration. Literally every day before work, he would fight me. I don't know if it was trying to get a rise out of me, trying to get my attention. Pretty sure that's what it was, but it happened. Made this Pisces fish turn into a piranha real quick. I bet I try to fight back. Right now I'm deepening everything up with a darker burgundy. Also, like Scorpio colors are like red, burgundies, very much in that like family. So we're doing a little cranberry eye today. Dark lip, very like almost grungy. Because let's be honest, Scorpios, they have a lot of feelings, like most of us. They just show those feelings outwardly. Let us know that they're going through some shit. All right. And also with this, I'm like angling it slightly higher than I normally do because I'm gonna cut it in a different way. Trust the process. Now I'm gonna deepen everything up with a little black. And now I'm gonna highlight the brow bone with a white. Some like famous Scorpios for y'all who don't know. There's like RuPaul, there's like Kris Jenner, Julia Roberts. There's some fun Scorpios. Let's just say you won't have a dull moment. There'll be a lot, but you know, not a dull moment. Now I'm taking some concealer on the back of my hand and I'm cutting my crease with it. All right, now I'm gonna line that with some liner. Cute, now that we have that lined, take a little concealer under it and clean it up. Cute, now we can set the front part of that, the inner third of the eye with some white eyeshadow. Really pack it on there. Now I'm taking that fluffy brush and a little bit more of that cranberry shade and I am blending it in that crease. Cute. Now I'm taking more of that concealer and we're cutting it again. Scorpio strengths are that they're resourceful, powerful, brave, passionate, and a true friend. All right, now I'm setting that with a little bit of cranberry in the inner corner. All right, now I'm gonna line that with more liner. Weaknesses are that they're distrusting, jealous, manipulative, and violent. And clean it up again. A lot of back and forth. Scorpio likes truth, facts, being right, talents, teasing, and passion. Dislikes dishonesty, revealing secrets, superficiality, and small talk. All right, now I'm gonna map out my liner, my like actual liner. All right, now I'm taking a little glitter, cranberry glitter on the center of my finger, well, in the center of the eye with my finger, and I'm placing that all over the lid. And I'm taking a little bit of that cranberry and I'm placing that towards the end. I'm using a little black to blend in the liner. Now I'm gonna line that with some liner. Scorpios are passionate and assertive people with determination and focus you rarely see in other zodiac signs. They will turn to in-depth research to reach the truth behind anything they find important. Now I'm taking a little bit of black shadow and I'm placing that under to smoke it out. Now I'm taking a little bit of that cranberry shade and I'm smoking out that lower lash line. Really bringing it down as much as I can. Also, I have my normal eyes on today. No contacts, that's different. Love. Scorpios are the water signs, so representatives of water signs have to express and face emotions. Always fighting dishonesty of any kind, and learn not to manipulate or turn people to look their way by methods that aren't straightforward or clean.
Cute.
These inner tendencies sometimes make them distrustful and jealous.
Cute.
I could add a little bit more black over here. Time to dust off this excess powder, and then we can do the finishing touches and finish off this look. Now that we kind of went in on the eyes, let's start focusing on the face a little bit more. First, I'm going to deepen up these contours, make sure everything looks nice and cut. Because listen, I need this to be as sharp as, you know, Scorpios. And they be sharp sometimes, girl. You know, water signs, they know what they're doing. They're manipulative sometimes, just to get their way. They have all the emotions, even though they like swear that they don't. And I'm taking a little bit of the contour and deepening up everything. Trying to look snatch, girl. Get the chin, the jaw, everything. All right, now I'm gonna add a little bronzer to the face to further contour. Warm everything up a little bit, further blend everything out, and really get this face nice and cut. Ooh, we're almost done with this look. Oh, these under eyes are pretty fun. It's different for me, right? Let's add a little blush. We're doing a little cranberry blush today. Match the eye. Match the other side. Do some on the forehead. Really tie in the cranberry look. Okay, now it's time for a little setting spray. Scorpio signs are like, you know, a lot for me. They like try to just, you know, push me over the edge. They always try to get me, but you know, for some reason they always like deep down, like always drawn to me. And like for some reason, like I always have one close. Strange. Placing a little highlighter on the tip of the nose. Yeah, that's it. Right now I'm placing some highlighter on the high points of my face. Scorpios tend to have a lot of emotions and they tend to not know how to express them properly sometimes, which is fine. Cute. Now we have a little, oh, my lip. I'm going over that with more blush, just to further blend everything in, to make everything look a little more seamless. On the tip of the nose, do some around the chin and the jaw, help soften everything, make this look a little more feminine and rounded, not as angular. Time to add the beauty marks. You know, I really crap on Scorpios, but sometimes they're some of the best people. All right, I'm gonna go do my finishing touches and get my drag on off camera to save some time, and I'll be right back.
6 months later.
6. And this is the finished look, y'all. This sexy Scorpio look is all finished. How do we feel about it? I look so cool, so sexy, so fun. These eyes are a little harsher than usual and stuff, a little dark, sultry action with some like sharp edges to match the Scorpio, you know, sharp personality, I guess we could say. They're very pointed, let's just say that. And that matches this makeup.
You know what this kind of gives me? Like a super sweet 16 girl who is a Scorpio doing like this photo shoot for her birthday.
Ooh, it's my sexy photo shoot because I'm so sexy because I'm 16 now. There's my car. I'm eating hair. How do we feel about this? I added more glitter and stuff. I added glitter to like the lower lash line, more glitter to the lid. I added glitter to the lip, you know, to make everything pop. Because, you know, Scorpios, they're gonna let you know that they're in the room. Like, so I thought, why not let you know I have glitter on my face? Let's not be subtle about it. They're not subtle with anything, with their emotions. So what do we learn about Scorpios today? that they're emotional water signs and that they kind of like bottle everything in, and you know, that tends to turn into aggression. And you know, their little tail, that tail girl.
Jesus.
Everything's fine. Let me know how you feel about the look down below. Let me know how you feel about Scorpios down below. Be nice to them. I mean, although they weren't nice to me, they put me in the hospital a few times. Scorpios. Anyway, let me know how you feel about this look in the comment section below. Let me know how you feel about Scorpios down in the comment section below. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and make sure you check out all my other socials at The Yellow Cox for more drag fun. All right, I'll see you next week. Bye. And this is the finished look, y'all. This.
I had to.
Murmur too. That's my impression of you. Do you want me to walk? Like this. Topless. Totally topless.
Oh my god, I'm so topless.
Don't.
Did you like crimp it or something?
Yeah. Well, no, I didn't crimp it. That was like...
You crimped it.
I cunted it. I gave it a nice cunting.
Where's the knife?
Okay, maybe not do the knife.
I apologize that you got together with the village idiot.
You are not the village idiot. We left the village. Oh shit, it's still good.
What?
Nothing. Focus and focus.